Good morning. My name is Anand Balasubramanian, the founder and CEO of Homarts Interiors Private Limited. Since last year, every conversation we've had about our business has raised eyebrows, and we're quite excited to see if the panel of investors feel the same way too. We thank India Fund Fest for giving us this opportunity. It's time to say goodbye to these boring walls and say hello to designed walls created by Homarts. Me, Anand Balasubramanian, and Mr. Abhishek Kankaria, with a collective experience of 43 years, run this business together and look to raise rupees 1 crore as a convertible debt. Home painting is majorly ruled by unorganized players, the paint contractors, and they lack a professional approach. At Homarts, we address three pain areas of the consumer. One, the quality of finish. Two, time towards project completion. And three, providing an ability to design walls with paint. All of this at nearly the same price that a consumer pays today for plain walls with substandard quality. Our goal is to move the market from choosing just colors for walls to design for walls. The design approach shall improve the aesthetic appeal of the space by many folds and will leave a customer spellbound, creating the wow effect. Our business model is also highly scalable through a network of franchisees who shall only focus on on-site execution, and all other functions of the business shall be controlled centrally. We look for a strategic investor who could help us through this journey. Thank you for watching this video.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Anand. I'm the founder and CEO of Homarts Interiors Private Limited. I'm here today to raise rupees 1 crore as a convertible debt for our business, and we intend to allocate the funds in the given proportion. The return we propose is a 10% discount after 3 years, in addition to a 3% interest per annum. The domain expertise for our business comes from my employment with Sherwin-Williams and 3M, which is hands-on. I'm also a self-taught amateur in the area of design. Me and Mr. Abhishek Kankaria, who is also the founder, we founded this company together. We have held senior leadership positions during our employment, and we understand the practicalities of business. So we also have a lot of people who have associated with us, who have come and joined us on board. So at Homarts, we believe that walls today are very boring because they're plain. And the aesthetic appeal of the space can be elevated through design, making the space look extraordinary. At Homarts, we offer designer walls at a budget without a mess and discomfort. The crux of our business revolves around the problem or the limited options the customer has today. Whenever we think about painting our homes, we only think about which color to choose. A lot of home lovers would love to know or wish to improve the aesthetic appeal of the space through wallpapers and paint with special effects, but exit the category because of the cost predominantly. Home painting is also very, very messy, and adding to all this is the discomfort of having laborers at home for long periods. But when a customer comes to Homarts, he will no longer think about which color to choose. He will have the choice of thousands of designs that he can choose from, very similar to choosing wallpapers today. We mimic the design of a wallpaper through paint, which will fit their customer's budget as well. And our service is a no-mess service, and our time efficiency will definitely leave the customer at very little discomfort. Now, these are some of the edges that we have. We have an unparalleled service in the market. Some few things that are worth mentioning. Now, every service provider uses Asian paints to provide their services. This, unfortunately, is a very big disadvantage because the customer only compares the service cost between players. For example, a tractor emulsion is offered at even 8 rupees and at even rupees 12 rupees. So the customer is not willing to pay a higher price for the same product and very similar service. Now, owning the brand with us helps us differentiate the product and also the service that we offer. Plus, the time efficiency that we have displayed here is for creating designer walls. Now, if you're looking at plain walls, we have the ability to complete a home in just 1 day also. The industry is very, very big, and more importantly, it is very unorganized, which gives us great opportunity for organized companies to really have accelerated growth. Companies in this industry have already showcased that a 10x growth is possible, even with conventional business methodologies. Means they still are contractors. They with the customer or work in the same fashion that a contractor works. Now, here is where we need an investor who could really help us accelerate the growth. And that's one of the main reasons why we are here in this platform today. So these are some of our competitors. Most of the competitors are new entrants and small-sized businesses. Now, these margins that we have showcased here, though we are a pre-revenue, we have done a lot of FOCs and tested it in real-world scenarios by creating a lot of models. And these margins are already achieved. We could further push this with a lot of improvements, which we will discuss in detail with the investor later. So these revenues are just we just showcased the revenues. Yes, we would like to accelerate this and grow further. Our EBITDA is also very, very noteworthy here because none of the competitors have achieved these EBITDA levels because of two reasons. One, procure the material directly from the manufacturer, and number two, the manpower productivity. Now, if you take a competitor, for example, in the market, he spends 70 rupees out of every 100 rupees earned on paint and labor. But we would only be spending about 42 rupees out of every 100 rupees earned. So that's a very big differentiator for the market. Now, we are right now working on creating the design bank and an experience catalog for customers and partners. And the machinery that is required for designing will be procured with investment. Until the investment comes in, we have outsourced the entire as a job work to others. Now, these milestones help us, to the roadmap of success. Most of this can be achieved much ahead of time with investments. So we're looking for a strategic partner to help us through the entire journey. And we're happy to respond to any questions or clarifications that you may have now.
Okay, we can stop share screen now. So Anand, explain to me, how have you tested this? Is there any technology? What is it?
So we've done real world scenarios like FOCs for 2 projects we have done. Plus we have done our offices at least about 10 times in a real world environment, calculated the time it takes, the amount of material that is required, the amount of accessories, paint accessories that are required, all of that is considered.
Is there any machine or technology in this, or is it all just labor?
As of now, we have done the margins based on labor and paint accessories like the rollers. But yes, we have ordered for a machine as well, a compressor type machine, which should enhance the speed much higher. So we're also working on that. But these margins are with the current model.
So what is the USP that makes it 3x faster?
So one is the rollers, currently the rollers that we use itself, and the painting process, the process of painting. That makes it 4 times faster.
So is there anything proprietary in that, or what is it?
No, it's not proprietary, it is a method, that's it. The way you train your people and the way they paint. So there is definitely an extensive training that is required. Not every painter would just be able to replicate it.
And how is that different from what Asian Paints or Berger does?
So Asian Paints or Berger, they're again outsourcing it to the same contractors. So they don't undertake the job themselves. They only procure the customer acquisition is done, and the project is outsourced to the contractors again. So the contractors, number one, the rollers that are available, we use an export quality roller, which gets the job done much faster. And compared to the conventional rollers that you use today in the market. So our process is rather from the ceiling to the floor. You would be doing it in one shot, in one roll. But if you look at the other competitors, they will be using in patches. They will paint a 2x2 at one shot, and then the next 2x2 feet. So that's how they do the painting. But for us, it is right from the ceiling to the floor in one shot. And with the machines, what we are doing, we will further improve it by 2 times. But we'd like to, wait and test it completely and then only propose it.
Vijay?
So Anand, what is your ask? I'm not very clear. You're asking for 1 crore for about 3.1%, right? Hello?
3% and a 10% discount.
Yes. What does that mean? What does a 10% discount mean? Are you offering a priced round, or are you offering convertible here?
It is a convertible debt. So after 3 years, it is open to you. It is probably we can convert it into equity also at
So you're saying you're open to doing equity at a price basis, or you can do a convertible note structure also. And
Yes.
possibly you're not very clear about what a convertible entails. If that is the case, we will explain to you.
Sure.
If investors have interest, of course. Second question I have is, you've taken a loan, is it?
Yeah, Abhishek has given a loan to the company.
It's a personal loan.
Yes.
Okay. And what is this for? Just for, it is just your...
We have invested it on inventory, majorly on inventory. Again, the 20 lakhs is not completely consumed. We only consumed about 10.5 lakhs. Out of that, about 7.5 lakhs has gone towards inventory and the machine that we need to create the color combinations. So that's about another 2 lakhs that is gone on.
Understood. So it can be capitalized and given, you can give shares to him instead of repaying him also, right? If the investors want that.
No, we've all have a loan agreement and we've already treated with a loan.
With him. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you. Investors, any questions, please?
Anand, I don't find any questions from investors for you. So we'll work with you offline and take it forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you, Anand. All the best.
Hi, my name is Anand Balasubramanian, the founder and CEO of Homarts Interiors Private Limited. So we offer designer walls to customers at a budget. The experience with India Fund Fest has been very exciting and we're very eager to interact with the potential investors. We want to thank India Fund Fest for bringing us into this platform.